Have a banking question at 2 a.m.? Meet Erica, Bank of America's virtual financial assistant, built right into the mobile app. She's here to help 24/7. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Open the Bank of America mobile app. You'll see Erica's icon, usually a chat bubble or a circle, on the home screen or in the navigation. Tap it to start. You can type or speak your question. Ask things like, what's my checking account balance? Show me recent transactions. How do I transfer money? Erica can also help you find transactions, schedule payments, and even guide you through financial education topics. My crucial pro tip? Use specific, simple commands. Erica understands natural language, but being clear helps. Instead of, I need money stuff, try, transfer $100 from checking to savings. Or, dispute my last Starbucks charge. The more direct you are, the faster she can help. Get instant answers and perform tasks without navigating menus. What would be the first question you'd ask a banking virtual assistant? For more guides on banking tech tools, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.